that welcome to Bullforce. We are a stock broking company. हाँ तो हिंदी भी मिक्स करा लेता हूँ on the video. Okay, great guys. So English is better, Hindi is mixed, clear. We are in a beautiful country where many languages go. So सबके लिए मैं दोनों भाषा में बात करूंगा. I'll speak in English, speak in Hindi. So सब everyone can more or less benefit. So we are here today to see the Bullforce sentiment tracker. ये Bullforce sentiment tracker दिखाने के लिए ये कॉल हो रहा है। ये सेंटिमेंट ट्रैकर इतना पावरफुल है कि हमने 2 हफ्ते पहले पब्लिक के लिए खोला है एंड अचानक से हमारे पास हजारों कस्टमर आ गए। यस, ओके, थोड़ा स्लो स्क्रीन आ रहा है बट ठीक है। सो व्हाट यू विल सी हियर इज द Bullforce सेंटिमेंट ट्रैकर। दिस ये ट्रैकर बहुत एक्यूरेट है ना। एक्यूरेट किसको बोल सकते हैं? अगर आप ब्रॉडली देखोगे यू विल सी दैट देर इज लॉट ऑफ मूवमेंट्स, यू आर एबल टू कैप्चर मूवमेंट्स एंड डायरेक्शन। एक हो गया डायरेक्शन, एक हो गया मोमेंटम। ठीक है, दिस इज ब्रॉडली द मैकेनिज्म फॉर एक्यूरेसी। सो आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू व्हाट हैपेंड ऑन फ्राइडे। कल की बात ही ले लेते हैं। ओके, कल क्या हुआ है? yesterday what has happened? Okay, so market opened at 24,768. ठीक है। बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट ऑल लैंग्वेजेस, ओपन, क्लोज, बुलिश, बेरिश, सेंटिमेंट, वीक, स्ट्रॉन्ग, ये सब लैंग्वेज में सेम ही है मोर और लेस, है ना। तो एवरीवन हु अंडरस्टैंड्स द स्टॉक मार्केट कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग। तो सुबह मार्केट खोला अराउंड 730 760 उस रेंज में खोला। प्री ओपन 7, आई मीन इट वाज मोर और लेस देयर एंड हमें लगा कि मार्केट साइडवेज है। टूल बोल रहा है साइडवेज। अगर आप टूल को देखोगे इधर निफ्टी, आप इधर बिगिनर ही चूज करना, आप एडवांस ट्रेडर भी हो सकते हो बट बिगिनर चूज करना। मैं बताऊंगा क्यों करके। आई टेल यू व्हाई। So basically you have this PCR ratio, put call ratio, which many people will know whether it's strong, weak, bullish, bearish, and you have your sentiment score. Okay, अगर आप ग्राफ पे आओगे आपको इसमें दिखेगा एक छोटा सा ब्लैक डब्बा में दिखेगा आपको सेंटिमेंट स्पॉट Bullforce. So what I want each of you to do is go to Google, okay, and just type Bullforce sentiment. I will just share that tab again. 1 minute. If on Google you go and type sentiment Bullforce, you will come to this particular tool. You only have to give your mobile number OTP. It is free for 5 days. Okay. Now I'm just showing you this particular tool. What happened was market was in sideways range all the way till here. Okay, थोड़ा zoom कर लेते हैं ताकि सबको दिख जाएगा इसमें। ये बहुत आउट zoom out किया था मैंने। Too much zoomed in. Let's just go back to 110%. ठीक है। ओके, सो नाउ इफ यू सी हियर, हमने पूरा साइडवेज रखा था मतलब हमारा टूल ने कभी एंट्री नहीं दिया एंड एंट्री हैपेंड एट 24,656। आप इधर देखोगे सेंटिमेंट साइडवेज, पीसीआर साइडवेज, ठीक है, एंड एट लिटरली 1146 वी हैड अ क्लियर एंट्री ऑन डाउन साइड। नीचे की तरफ क्लियर एंट्री आ गया कि सेंटिमेंट नीचे है, सेंटिमेंट इज वीक एंड पीसीआर इज वीक. So you have a time-based entry now. Okay, now look at the time-based entry, what it did. It literally, हमारा प्रीमियम था अराउंड 195, ठीक है, यहाँ पे इन द मनी 100 पॉइंट्स इन द मनी हम करते हैं बिकॉज आपका डीके भी होता है एंड देन यू नो लॉट ऑफ अदर इश्यूज कम. So literally at 1146 when market was at around 656, yeah, around 24,656. From there it went to 666, which is 10 points up, and then afterwards it came down. So basically we see clearly sentiment was negative and in the end you can see that whole day it was down 639 and all, and last में अगर देखोगे मार्केट ने 562 तक आ गया. So इसमें क्या हो जाता है? If you are a call seller, you have made money. If you are a put buyer, then you have very limited time to make money because आप पोजीशन को पूरा टाइम खुला नहीं रख सकते हो. देखो अभी जैसे ये ऊपर जा रहा है नीचे जा रहा है तो आपका प्रीमियम ऊपर नीचे जा रहा है. If you are a put buyer in intraday, I'm talking about. If you are a put buyer in positional, you have completely cracked it because आपने 666 में एंट्री किया, 100 पॉइंट का प्रॉफिट आपका निफ्टी में कैप्चर हुआ है. और ये प्रीमियम में भी देखेंगे क्या हुआ है कैसे हुआ है करके. We'll look at it in premium also. ठीक है. So just showing this whole thing that broadly market is sideways, you have an entry here. Now this tool is super effective because it gives you two things: your PCR and sentiment confirmation. For people, who say, how do I use this particular tool, we have a how to use it also here. Isko click kar diya, it will clearly say above 30 is strong, below 30 is weak, between minus 30 and 30 is sideways. This is the sentiment tool, right? Do not do it for Fin Nifty, Mid Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex. If you're using this tool for the first time, please do it in beginner mode. And for now, why this tool is great is because ये tool direction बताता है and time बताता है, और कोई tool market में direction और time दोनों नहीं बताएगा, right? And I'll show you how we are right also. Just one second. इसी टूल में एक और चीज दिखा दूंगा आपको. अगर आप देखोगे इसमें आपका डेट फिल्टर है. इधर आप डेट को, यू कैन गो येस्टरडे क्या हुआ उसके पहले एक दिन, तो क्लियरली एक बुलिश मोमेंटम बना था, एंड देन फिर वो बेरिश मोमेंटम पे देखो. जैसे अभी कल परसों मार्केट ने ऊपर गया था, राइट? मार्केट हैड गॉन फ्रॉम 24,690 टिल 944, which is very good, right? So our entry for bullish had come something around 1143, right? And more or less it was hanging around there. And then you say that, oh, okay, it was a little weak only. So that's why you were seeing that from 1143 till almost 1230 it was still in the sideways range. So you can see that either ye more or less either sideways hi raha, and then it gave a good push upwards till 130 where you see this 944, and then afterwards 230 को lot of people saw कि profit booking हुआ है. ये हुआ था, ये प्रॉफिट बुकिंग जो मार्केट में उनको पता है, एवरीवन नोज दैट, राइट? सो हियर अराउंड 230 इट अगेन केम बैक इनटू साइडवेज टेरिटरी. लाइक यू कैन सी सेंटिमेंट स्कोर इज कमिंग डाउनवर्ड्स, पीसीआर इज लुकिंग स्ट्रांग, बट सेंटिमेंट केम इनटू साइडवेज एट 26. एंड लुक एट हाउ इट निफ्टी फेल from 24,850 straight to 760. So 100 points it has fallen at 230 itself. ठीक है? So there are 2-3 kinds of people who use this tool. One, option sellers who in the morning would have sold put options. One, straddle strangle guys who are using sideways to say that अच्छा ये straddle strangle इस range में मैं दोनों put और call को straddle and strangle करके बैठूंगा, जब तक ये bullish नहीं दे रहा तब तक मैं मेरा stop loss नहीं book करूंगा in one leg. And there are option buyers intraday who are trying to get in, take their 5% and run away, right? So that is the beauty of this tool. It's a Swiss knife. It is beautiful. ये option sellers के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है because you're getting a clear direction. ऑप्शन बायर्स के लिए बहुत अच्छा है बिकॉज आपको क्लियर टाइम ऑफ एंट्री मिल रहा है, राइट? एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, ऑप्शन सेलर्स ऑप्शन बायर्स हो गए, एंड स्ट्रैडल ट्रायंगल के लिए आपका स्टॉप लॉस का मिल रहा है. एंड पीपल हु आर ऑप्शन बायर्स, एडवांस्ड, वेरी एडवांस्ड ट्रेडर्स, फॉर देम दे प्ले दिस -30 to +30 गेम. Okay, like where this is for very advanced people. I don't recommend this for beginners. So they go from -30 to +30, +30 to -30. So they play this game. And hota hai, like I'll tell you which day it worked really well for them also. If you go back one more day, I'll just show Wednesday. I think Wednesday there was no trade. Oh, that's the best part also. Option buyer ka fake bull trap, bear trap bacha leta hai. Okay, this is 31st. Okay, we'll just go to 30th. Okay, so if I look at this, the whole day it was sideways till 315. 325 को उसने exit दिया, right? So this day जब वो पूरा bull trap, bear trap, bull trap, bear trap, the whole day it was troubling everyone. What did people who are following our tool do? Nothing. And obviously you don't do anything in the first 15 minutes because first half an hour, because institutional plays are happening, and you don't do anything in the last half an hour, which is 3 से 3:30 कुछ मत करो, and 9:15 से 9:45 कुछ मत करो. इस टूल के अंदर, in this tool you have institutional volume, you have your Ichimoku, MACD, RSI, all of these things are going into sentiment, which is why we are able to give a clear time of entry. And ये देखो, ये 30 क्रॉस ही नहीं किया, मतलब दोनों साइड पे. नीचे आके देखो, it is at 29, 29, 27, 28. It will never cross 30 because institutional movement is not coming. And here a lot of people are booking puts, नीचे जा रहा है, नीचे जा रहा है. And then what did the market do? Did a bear trap. Then it went to 870, 900. Then again it came back as a bear trap, 830, 840. So look at the clarity. Wednesday no trading, Thursday upward trade, Friday downward trade. So this tool is a life changing tool. And why I can tell you this is because, and look at this entry here. This was on Tuesday. Our entry happened somewhere at 134, where Nifty was at 24,760. Right, you can see the 754 kind of thing, and it went up end of day till 821. Nifty may getting 70 points is equal to 20-30% return in a single day. And just simple, PCR is looking strong. Market opened gap down at 24,610. Everybody was bearish. ये तो गया 2% जाएगा, 3% जाएगा, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, sideways ही दिख रहा है. Right, from there it again came down, could not break, and then you have here, this is the -30 to +30. जो -30 to +30, इधर देखो, they've got this 50-60 points, the advanced traders. I don't recommend that to anyone and everyone, but it's for very specific scalpers. यहाँ पे वो क्या करते हैं, एंट्री करते हैं -30 में, एंड देन दे कीप अ स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ -32. सेंटिमेंट गया तो बंद कर देंगे. लॉट ऑफ रिवर्सल कैटेगरी. क्लियर एंट्री टाइम, क्लियर प्राइस, सिंप्लीफिकेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग. ये स्विस आर्मी नाइफ जैसा है कि आप खोल के देख सकते हो. एंड अगेन सिंपल, लुक एट इट. एनीवन हु हैज सोल्ड पुट्स हैज मेड मनी. एनीवन हु हैज सोल्ड इन द मनी पुट्स हैज मेड मनी. एनीवन हु इज बाइंग पुट्स एंड कॉल्स इज मेकिंग मनी. ठीक है. So I will just come back and stop presenting my screen over here and then present my screen. Let's go to Google and let's check out Google में क्या बता रहा है, right? आदमी तो कुछ भी बोल सकता है, Google में देख लो एक बार. Yeah. So we're going to take like a minute because this presenting is happening. Just go to Google, right? Don't trust me, trust Google, right? Like, and just put bull force sentiment. What you'll find is we are the first thing there, right? And you can see below all our videos where we are saying, predicting that we are being right. And you can see every day, like we are putting up our videos there also, right? Then comes back to the other part, which is like, I'll just in 2 minutes show you something else, which is our anyone who's part of our WhatsApp group. You guys know, आपको मिल जाता है. आप हमारा WhatsApp group में, whenever the tool is giving an entry, भले 1-2 minute लेट हो जाता है, because it is from the tool to copying, pasting, putting in our group, but clearly you're getting the signal there that market is bullish, bearish, and whatever it is, right? So I'm just going to share that particular thing. So this is on Google. You can just go and search Bullforce Sentiment Tracker. Oh, for free trial, very simple, Vijayji. Just go to sentiment.bullforce.co. The link I've sent above. You can just put in your mobile number, OTP in that web page itself. Mobile number डालो, उसमें OTP आएगा, आप activate करो. We have automated the whole thing. We are not taking it manually. ठीक है? Just so if you notice here, I'll also share yesterday's trade. Okay, just give me 1 minute. So yesterday we had done an entry at 195. And this is from the WhatsApp group, right? So you guys can see that. And the same thing had gone to it, and our stop loss got hit at 185. I'm telling you what it is because we keep a 10-point stop loss no matter what in option buying. ये रखना ही पड़ता है, otherwise you will be in trouble. Okay, I think something is okay. And this I mean, you guys can see where the and the real problem is how the premium actually shot up. The 195 went up to 257. I'll show you the recordings also. Or end of day was 257, but we had tracked it. So this was for this is the power of actually having the tracker. So what I'm trying to tell you, I'll explain this 1 second. Let me just put the details of what happened yesterday. This is only for the guys who are tracking, and we entered around again 11:43 if I'm not mistaken. I'll check this particular thing. I will just check the time. We'll check it together itself. Okay. So broadly, if you look at it, this is the 2-week performance, which you can check on the WhatsApp group itself. In our WhatsApp group, if you scroll up, you will find every time we have said entry, and we also post what was the buy price at that time. Like we show the screen, and you can see the sell price. So anyone who's part of the WhatsApp group, you can validate it. Just scroll up. You cannot change WhatsApp ka chat timing and everything, right? And reason why we put it up is we are confident. Right now somebody will say, अरे ये 13% दिया, 13% लिया, ठीक है. I have a very simple logic, that is, if you're making money in the long term, perfect. Like, look at this tool. What it did was, on Wednesday, it saved you from any trading. On Thursday and Friday, although we have booked 10 point stop loss because of discipline, 75% of the customers have made profit, because they're like, हाँ ठीक है ना, 500 रुपए जा रहा है एक लॉट में, तो रुके हुए हैं, and then they're making the profit of 1,000, 2,000, whatever they're making, right? So that is the customer's risk tolerance. Our risk tolerance is 10 rupees on premium. ठीक है, and अगर जा रहा है तो ठीक है, मतलब broadly we got 6%, 6%, and then from discipline perspective we have booked 8%, 5%, whatever it is. And this is only for one lot metrics. We do in a larger number of lots, so we cannot, I'm not disclosing that how many lots we do and all that. So for a per lot metric, we have just shown what was the profit in the last 2 weeks. Of course, week 3 भी है हमारे पास data. वो और भी अच्छा था, because it is very good. Like, we can see the traction. Now, what conservative scenario is, we book our profit at 5% typically, and obviously कभी कभी आपको ज्यादा भी मिल जाता है, but we try to book our profit at 5% and we keep our stop loss at 10 points. This is what conservative scenario means. And max profit possible, if you see, is how high did that premium go and after we gave that move. तो हम ये नहीं बोल रहे हैं कि we are not saying you go and get 534%. Don't 5x your capital in 2 weeks. But in that 5x, are you able to pull out your 5% a day? Okay, in this particular day, like yesterday, what happened was, it did go up. It went up to almost 203, waited there for a long time, and then suddenly it came to 170, and then again it went to 210, 220, and then went up to 240, 257. End of day, right? When all that last after 3 o'clock wala story. So I am not saying that, you guys should follow this buying strategy at all. All I'm trying to tell you is, money management is important. The tool helps option buyers. Okay, and if option buyers, I'm just showing you the win percentage. This was 88% last week, but again this week has been very, very trappy, but we're still at 72%, right? And in conservative also, we are making 28% return. Conservative matlab kya? Option buying mein in 2 weeks time, FDs give you 7% in a year, 8% in a year, right? Here we are talking about very aggressive risk and very aggressive rewards, because आप ये बोलोगे 8% जा भी रहा है, 100% 8% जा रहा है, but 8% 9% आ भी रहा है, जा भी रहा है. That's why we keep on average 1:1 risk reward. In option buying without the tool, you have to get your direction right, you have to get your momentum right. हो सकता है आपने बोला market upwards जाएगा, market will go up, but it doesn't go up. Let's say it stays there only, or let's say it goes up, but then it doesn't go up with momentum. It goes up like 20 points, then comes back down. So momentum is also important. So because of this scenario, not only should you get direction right, you also should get momentum right. Right? So which means your probability, actually this probability is not even 20%. If you actually look at it, each of the scenario has two scenarios. Okay, like upward में momentum है नहीं है, down में momentum है नहीं है. So you have total of 6 cases, out of which only one will give you money. So this is actually 1 out of 6. Let me just put that formula itself. So for example, let's say you get the direction right and momentum is not there, you still lose money, right? So this is what. So actually, in option buying without the tool, by default, it's mathematics. Only when your direction is correct and your momentum is correct, only then you will make money, right? Here, the tool is able to give you 72% accuracy in option buying. That means the tool is 100% capturing institutional volume. ऐसा नहीं है कि we are doing it, or the tool is saying it, so it is happening. It's because the tool is completely aligned to institutional volume, to other parameters which institutions are using. इसीलिए ये almost कितना, almost it is 4x or 5x better. I'll just put that formula also here. So it is almost, sorry. So this is 72 divided by 17, right? So 1734, almost 4 times better. That's what this is. ठीक है? ठीक है, almost 4.36 times better to do buying options with the tool than buying options without the tool. Okay, and then the bigger question comes to, when somebody is making 28% or 40% or 50%, we are not going to get anything as a broker, right? As a broker or as a tool provider, it does not matter to us. The entire risk is yours, the entire reward is yours. My job in Bullforce is to help traders and investors become profitable. So to make them become profitable, we will give tools, education, lot of things, features which will make traders profitable. This is why we are doing this session, right? The other part is we want people to believe in the tool. We want people to use the tool. That is why everybody, सब लोग को इस सेशन में 5 days ऑफ फ्री ट्रायल आ रहे हैं सबके लिए, है ना? बिकॉज ये टूल अगर यूज करोगे तो आपका प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी और प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बीइंग राइट शुड इंप्रूव बाय 4x, एंड 4x इज नॉट अ स्मॉल नंबर, है ना? और ये मैंने सिंपल मैथ्स दिखा दिया कि आप देख लो कि हर ट्रेड में, आई थिंक एक दिन वो ट्रेड नहीं किया है, बाकी दिन में एक दो दो दिन अब उसका स्टॉप लॉस, ये हमारा स्टॉप लॉस हमने प्रॉफिट मैनेजमेंट के लिए किया है। नहीं तो आप टूल का देखो, ओनली 1 day इट वेंट रॉन्ग, रेस्ट ऑल डेज इट वेंट राइट, है ना? तो डायरेक्शन वाइज द टूल इज गिविंग अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स। आप देखो ऑलमोस्ट कितना 2 weeks इज 10 trading days, नो गवर्नमेंट हॉलीडेज। 10 days में एक दिन टूल का डायरेक्शन गलत था, 9 days टूल का डायरेक्शन सही था। ओके, दैट बिकॉज आप प्रीमियम देख सकते हो, उसमें से हर हफ्ता एक दिन ऐसा आ जाता है जहां पे यूर गेटिंग मोर देन 100% रिटर्न, है ना? तो कोई कस्टमर ऐसा बोलेगा कि ठीक है यार मेरा 50% स्टॉप लॉस रहने दो, एंड इट्स कंप्लीटली अप टू द कस्टमर। आई डोंट माइंड टेकिंग 50% लॉस, बट आई वांट 100% रिवॉर्ड। You can see that is also happening every week. It's able to give you that one directional trade where every seller is getting caught in that direction in the wrong side. We are able to tell that. ठीक है? So this is that whole story. So tool is super effective. You can go today to sentiment.bullforce.co and download that, and just put your mobile number OTP. Live market में ये चलेगा real time for you. First 5 days is free. We have made it completely free for everyone so that people can test it. People can get comfortable with it. People can make some money out of it and understand why we are giving this tool. And believe it or not, we already have more than 500 customers who are using this and making money, and they're not comfortable sharing PNL, which is why we are not putting it in the group, because they're making like good amount of lakhs, right? So we don't want, so they don't want their privacy exposed, and we're okay with that. We don't want anyone to, overtly come and show that. So this particular tool, I want each of you guys to just use it, see it. If the first 5 days, I don't think anyone will have the confidence to take a trade, right? Because everyone has been doing trading. सब लोग trading कर रहे हैं, अपना अपना style से कर रहे हैं. But use the tool for your own benefits. Like see whether if you are an option buyer or an option seller,